Duke Nukem Forever. That's the game. It is the hot new video game that your kid's probably going to be asking for. And now, if they're under the age of 18, they can buy it on their own. No parental consent needed. The Supreme Court ruled today that violent video games can be sold or even rented to children of any age.
It all stems from a California law which banned the sale of games to kids. Fox 35's Kelly Joyce with more on what this means for you and your family.
Fabio Okubo sees both sides of the argument. He owns Play and Trade video games in Lake Mary, and he's a father of two.
Most of the time we have kids coming with their parents, and I try to tell the parents, if the kids are under 18 and they're trying to buy M-rated type of game, I let them know that this game's got violence, but if the kid comes by itself, normally I turn them away.
He just learned about the Supreme Court ruling that says government cannot, quote, restrict the ideas children can be exposed to, meaning kids of all ages can legally buy and play M-rated games with extreme violence, including virtual beatings, torturings, and killings of men and women. Parent Andreas Cruiser thinks the government should regulate the ages kids are allowed to purchase video games.
They shouldn't be allowed, so I think it's more important that it should be regulated.
First Amendment lawyer Larry Walters says this is a victory for those who don't want the government meddling into what's appropriate for children.
There is no Florida law like some other states had passed that restricts the sale of violent video games in Florida, but many of the retailers were concerned about selling mature-rated games to minors. So I think that what we'll see is a much wider availability of mature-rated games at the retail level.
For now, Okubo says he'll handle the new freedom carefully.
It will probably be on a case by case, because sometimes I know the parents, we have a lot of regular customers. I know the parents that allow their kids to play M-rated games no matter what, and for those I'll probably sell to them, but for kids I haven't seen, I might have a different approach.
Kelly Joyce, Fox 35 News.
Now, Florida has never had any rules regulating games being sold to kids of certain ages, but many businesses chose not to while they waited for this Supreme Court ruling.